Before I start the video, I just want to say the desk is coming soon, but for now you're going to see really bad lighting, and I'm really sorry about that. Hey guys, today I'm going to introduce COLL. Sorry for the bad lighting, but please ignore it because I haven't got my desk yet. So, what is COLL? So COLL is basically doing when all edges are oriented and you want to solve this at the same time solve the corners. And this means getting a U-perm, Z-perm, H-perm when you solve OLL. So in this case, if we do this, we got a PLL skip. But you could get an M-perm, or not an M-perm, a H-perm, a Z-perm, or a U-perm. For example, with this U case, where you got this diagonal here and this diagonal here, in this case it's the exact same thing. This diagonal here, this diagonal here, this diagonal here, this diagonal here. If we do the algorithm, we got a U-perm. And this can benefit your solves because, you know, U-perm, Z-perm, H-perm, they're really fast, and at the same time, you're likely to get a PLL skip. Yeah, that's basically it. That's just the introduction to CLL, or what am I saying, CLL? I meant COLL. COLL part 1 will be up soon, and that would be the U cases, and it looks like this. Obviously, these are the only cases I know right now, and I'm basically going through the journey with you guys. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and see ya.